Hi, Julie here, and today I have something new that I have got in my Etsy shop. It's a coffee mug, and I designed it to kind of go with my business. That's, you know how creativity is just plain fun. It doesn't actually say that, but you'll see what I mean if you already go to my site. It's sort of similar to what my logo looks like, but it goes way beyond that, and it's a lot cuter and colorful. It's a coffee mug, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, and I'll provide the purchase link to this item so that you can buy it if you want it. And I do get a little bit of commission, of course, and I don't actually make these. These are made on demand. Let's see. So here we go. This is the first time I'm actually seeing it in person. And I did design this with the help of AI using Microsoft Copilot, actually. Oh, wow, that's so cool. And there's several different colors of handles and insides that you can get, and they all look fantastic with the colors that are on this. And this is amazing. I think I've got my new favorite coffee mug. So, yeah, if you like this, go ahead and click on the link in the description below, and that'll take you right to Etsy, and where you can purchase it. Isn't that cute? Sort of like my logo, where my logo actually has a kitty cat holding on a ball of yarn with beads surrounding it. But then I added the quilt behind it and the balls of yarn because it represents the crocheting and the quilting that I do. So I think it's an amazing mug, actually. The quality of the mug is amazing. And yeah, the mug is made in China, but you know what? Yeah, this is so pretty. This one's light blue. There's several different colors that you can choose from. And I think I'm going to go wash this and go get my first cup of coffee in it. And that's it for today. If you want it, just go ahead and go get it. And send me a video when you get yours. Or a photo. It doesn't matter. And I would love to hear comments. What more would you like to see with this on it? I'm thinking I might do a tote bag and a t-shirt. Let me know. Okay, thank you for watching and have a great day. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit like if you like this video. All right, thank you. See you later. Bye. One more thing. This is the first video I've made after I broke my ankle in May. This is in my new office on my new desk. Well, yeah, it's not a desk, it's a table. But I broke my ankle on May 1st, and I'm in a boot now. So there's more information about that on my website at jpfun.com. Okay, thanks again. Bye-bye.